What's going on YouTube? Khallid AKA Smoove Flipper. Welcome back to my channel. I know the setup is a little bit different, but this video I want to go over a couple of unboxing from Mercari. So I picked up 4 phones from Mercari. 2 were delivered yesterday and 2 were delivered today. I have not opened the boxes yet to check if the phone is even in there. So I just wanted to make a video showing you guys kind of like a live unboxing from these particular purchases. So it should be 3 iPhone 8 Pluses and 1 iPhone X. Again, I have not opened them up yet, but we're just gonna, get into it, and if I get scammed, then you guys are gonna see it. So let's start with this one. The 8 Plus here, let's open it up to see if it's the actual phone. Okay, so yeah, we do see an 8 Plus. It is brand new, like he said. You still have the plastic on it. So yeah, not bad. I'm gonna turn it on really quick just to make sure. So this is my first time seeing this as well. So again, it does indeed turn on. Comes with all the accessories and everything. I paid $650 for each of these 8 Pluses. So I'm gonna be making 85 bucks a piece, which some of you guys are gonna say that's not a lot, but if you look at the big picture, guys, I didn't have to drive to pick these phones up. I just bought them on Mercari. So let's get into this one. This should be another 8 Plus. There you go, right there, gold 8 Plus. Hopefully this is brand new as well. I do see the plastic. You guys can see that it does have the plastic. I'm gonna show you guys close. It does have the plastic. I'm gonna turn it on. Again, I paid $650 a piece for these. Should make $170 total from the 2 purchases here. So margins aren't the best. I'm not shooting for the $200 margin profit on each pickup, but again, I didn't have to drive to pick these up, so these was delivered to my house. So those 2 look good. These 2 phones here, the 8 Pluses. I don't know what this one is yet. I'm just gonna crack it open. This one was terribly packaged, but anyway, this is an iPhone X. Let's see, how much did I pick this phone up for? I'm on Mercari right now. So I picked this phone up for 300 bucks. So $300. I'm pretty sure it has a bad IMEI. There are no cracks on it, as stated. But yeah, the phone is good to go. It works. Yeah. So this is my first time actually seeing this phone. I'm gonna check the buttons and all that really quick. So yeah, I mean, the phone seems just as described, like the seller said. I'm gonna have to take it through the activation process, get past that to make sure that there isn't no iCloud on there. But yeah, good condition phone. The guy said it was 9.7 out of 10, and I can agree. It is a decent. It's actually in really good condition. I'm not even gonna lie. It's in really good condition. So yeah, that's that. And let's get on to the next one. This next one should be a 8 Plus. It should be an 8 Plus. We're 3 for 4 right now. Let's see if we can get 4 for 4. Let's see. Open this up. Yep, it's definitely an 8 Plus. You guys can see, bam. I'm gonna turn on really quick. This is in solid condition as well. So this one, this guy didn't charge it, so I'm gonna have to charge that up. But from the looks of it, it looks good. Let me see how much I paid for that. I believe it was $280. Let me see, not $280. $275. I'm sorry. So it should be an 8 Plus finance AT&T for $275. Again, I'm gonna have to charge it up, and I'm gonna have to see if there's actually a lock on here or anything else. But I just wanted to show you guys these pickups. You know, I've been hitting Mercari pretty hard. You know, at first I was a bit skeptical about the app itself. I didn't even sell on there at first. You know, I started to see a lot of, you know, scam type accounts wanting you to text their number so they can, you know, do the transaction outside of Mercari. And, you know, I was kind of scared of even, you know, downloading the app. So I finally got the app, sold a couple things on there, you know, but I feel like this is a good platform for me to buy. And just wanted to let you guys in on it. You know, I've been, today is the 4th of October. I've bought 6 phones already this month from Mercari. So these are the 4 that came. I should be getting 2 more tomorrow. But yeah, you know, it's been going pretty good for me, you know, based off of these pickups. I picked up a phone before, maybe like a month ago on Mercari, and although it was shipped kind of late, it was as described and good to go. So I'm gonna start using them a lot more. This is gonna help out with me a lot, and should help out with you guys as well, just because you see a good deal on there, just, you know, and you check the seller rating. I usually only buy from sellers that have at least 1 5-star. You know, I don't like to sell from new sellers because those are probably new accounts that are just trying to scam you. So all these were bought from sellers with at least 1 5-star rating. So that just lets you know that they're there to do business and not trying to scam people. So yeah, these are the pickups, guys. I just wanted to you know, give you guys a heads up. Mercari is a great place to buy. Again, I was kind of skeptical at first, you know, just because I didn't quite understand how it worked, and it just seemed like it was a bit, you know, too good to be true. But I got on it. I checked some things out. I bought my first phone last month. That came out good. Sold a couple things on there. Everything was good, and I started to see a lot more posts about Mercari, you know, throughout the group, throughout just people messaging me, asking me if I even sell on Mercari. And I gave it a try, and, you know, it's good. It's pretty good in my opinion. There are some people that lowball you just like anything else, but for the most part, I'm definitely going to be using it to buy. So I'm thinking, you know, my goal for this month, I've already have 6 phones I bought. So if I can pick up, you know, 20 phones just from Mercari alone, and then, you know, continue to do my mail-ins from other flippers and buying phones in my area, I think I can, you know, surpass 50,000 in sales easy if I continue to grind. You know, because last month was a decent month for me. It wasn't the best, but this month I'm gonna really grind it out and show you guys, you know, all it takes is some grind to make it work. So hopefully you guys are enjoying these types of videos. I like to just switch it up for you guys. You know, if you are enjoying these videos, please give me some feedback on what I could do, or what types of videos you guys want to see. You know, I'm kind of running out of ideas. I do have a series in mind I want to start, but if you guys have some topics you want me to go over, then just, you know, comment them down below. I will go over them and I will make videos about them. So, you know, I'm doing this all to help you guys out. So, if you do have a topic, just let me know. So, yeah, so if you like the video, please drop a like. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.